Google Pixel 9 Pro leaked. See images, specs and price here. While the Google Pixel 8 has just been unveiled, there have already been rumors regarding the Pixel 9 Pro since before its predecessor was ever released. Popular leaker on Leaks revealed the Pixel 9 Pro 9 months before it was supposed to launch. The leaked photos and the specifications that Smart pre-released show significant changes to the Pixel 9 Pro's appearance. The camera module, which has components reminiscent of the Pixel Fold but deviates from the design of the Pixel 8 Pro, is particularly notable for having a rounder shape. 3 lenses, including a periscope lens, are included in the Pixel 9 Pro's camera configuration. A temperature sensor is also retained. The Pixel 9 Pro, which replaces the curved display of its predecessor, has a flat edge design similar to the latest iPhone and Galaxy S models, and it could have a titanium frame. Slightly smaller than the previous version, the display features a flat design with a punch-hole camera positioned in the center. While the phone's dimensions have changed somewhat, the design as a whole is still in line with current fashions. Improvements in AI capabilities set the Pixel 9 Pro apart. The partnership between Google and Samsung suggests the addition of cutting-edge technologies like the Circle to Search function, which could improve user experience. Google Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro specifications and price. The Pixel 9 has a 6.1-inch flat screen, whereas the Pixel 9 Pro model has a 6.5-inch OLED screen. With their triple camera configurations and Tensor G4 chipsets from Google, both models are expected to have improved AI capabilities and performance. Prices for the Pixel 9 are still subject to confirmation, but it is expected that they will begin at about $700 when it launches in October.